Use Dettol's bar soap in the bath or shower, and if you have Dettol's antiseptic liquid, just add 1 to 2 capfuls to your bath water or dilute 1 capful of Dettol's liquid in 2.7 liters of water. After watching this video, I suggest you check out my Dettol playlist. I just love Dettol, especially the smell. If you have any questions about this product, leave a comment. I would also love to hear about your experience with this product or your concerns. And if you found this video helpful, then share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more content. Have a wonderful day.